MoneySMARTS 2.0 rollovers are much the same as they were in MoneySMARTS 1.0. It's important to note that they can only be done on the web application. To perform a rollover, all you need to do is click on this button up the top here and follow the instructions. From here, I'll be directed to choose a new period start date, and the system will also tell me when my previous period ended. It's important to note that I don't have to choose the direct period following the last one. I can actually choose a period much later than that. So in this particular example that we've got, or this example profile, there's been no checkouts that have been done since 2019. So we'll go ahead and start a brand new period from the start of this year. From here, I'll have the ability and the opportunity to make changes to each of my MoneySMARTS jars, which includes changes to the balances, as well as adding additional expense items. And it'll guide me first through the living and lifestyle account, then the credit card, direct payments jar, provisions, as well as the opportunity to review any unused expenses. For the sake of this example, I'll go ahead and make a couple of changes to each of these figures by increasing a few of these balances by, let's say, about $10 each. So I'll use the internet, digital subscriptions, and health insurance for the sake of example. Now, how this works functionally is it will now publish a list of those changes into this historical change logs for each of my expenses listed here on the 1st of January 2024 for each of those change expenses. So again, the one that I chose earlier was internet. You can see here that it's created a brand new entry in on the 1st of January 2024. What you'll notice is that the rollover creates an entry for each of the expense cards listed on the date of the rollover for each of the cards that you have in existence, regardless of whether or not there was any change. This helps to create that historical record of your changes as you proceed through your financial journey.